Feeding a family that's always busy just got easier with the Samsung French Door Refrigerator. Energy-efficient LED lighting gently brightens every corner of your refrigerator so you're able to quickly spot what you want. Put your favorite foods and on-the-go items front and center with the innovative Food Showcase Store. The exterior showcase gives you instant access to drinks, and the inner case lets you store large, fresh food items. Keep your family well-fed and prepared for the day with maximum storage capacity for all your favorite foods, snacks, beverages, and leftovers. Keep your fruits and vegetables fresher and frozen foods tasty with the Twin Cooling Plus system. The innovative stainless steel paneling helps maintain consistent temperature throughout the refrigerator. Lock in cold and seal in freshness with the Metal Cooling Flex Zone drawer with 4 temperature control settings. It's optimal for storing dairy, beverages, and snacks at the temperature you prefer. The adjustable smart divider helps you organize your food for easy access. Located in the side door with the capacity to make up to 5 pounds of ice per day, the Ice Master earns its name and then some. Access filtered water, crushed and cubed ice easily with the ice and water dispenser. The tall opening also makes filling a variety of glasses and large containers a snap. The easy open handle allows for opening and closing a fully loaded freezer with ease. The freezer's auto pull-out drawer provides additional storage. Power freeze and power cool options are great for chilling your favorite drinks or firming up ice cream in a flash. Convenience, stylish versatility, and ample storage capacity reign supreme with the Samsung French Door Food Showcase Refrigerator.
It's time appliances had a personality. Yours. Discover Café, kitchen appliances that lead in design choice and performance. Taking cues from the worlds of fashion and design, the Café Customizable Professional Collection allows you to set the canvas. With matte white, stainless, and matte black finishes, and 6 distinct hardware options to infuse personality as the finishing touch. Choose appliances that reflect your style. Café, distinct by design.
The refrigerator is the center of every kitchen, so it should reflect your personal style and have all the features your family needs. The Café French Door Refrigerator gives you easy access to everything in your fridge, with room for anything. The Café Refrigerator looks great, and with customizable hardware, you can pick the perfect look for your home. The ice maker is right in the door, which frees up valuable space in the fresh food section. And the water dispenser uses an advanced water filtration system with an easily replaceable filter cartridge. Adjust the temperature with a touch using the digital control panel. LED lighting positioned throughout the interior puts your food in the spotlight. Spill-proof shelves have raised edges to contain messes and prevent spills, and they clean up in a snap. The full-width electronic temperature-controlled drawer is perfect for large items, as well as cheese, meats, and any other key ingredients that you want to keep fresh and easy to find. The quick space shelf easily slides away for more room, which allows you to fit tall items like juice bottles and pitchers without removing a shelf. The Climate Zone crisper drawers keep fruits and vegetables fresh and easy to access with adjustable sliders to control humidity. The freezer has 2 slide-out drawers to keep your frozen goods neat and organized with plenty of storage space. So this spring, give your kitchen an upgrade with the Café Refrigerator. To learn more and discover even more possibilities, click the link below.
This is not just a refrigerator, this is smarter innovation. With hands-free autofill, so you can hit the treadmill. This is the light wall refrigerator that's a real illuminator. And turbo cool tech that lets you play it cool. This is checking it here, setting it there. Cool, controlled, connected. This is GE Profile.
Experience even better visibility in your refrigerator thanks to an LED light wall that illuminates your entire refrigerator with crisp white light, making it easier than ever to find what you need when you need it. Access fresh fruits and vegetables quickly and easily thanks to well-designed, clear, soft-close crisper drawers, so your fresh favorites are always at your fingertips. Get ready for more organization and storage flexibility in your refrigerator, thanks to a temperature-controlled drawer with a removable bin caddy divider that's perfect for storing everything from party platters to everyday necessities, so you can always access what you need. Get easier access to all your refrigerator favorites, including hard-to-store taller items, like bottles of wine. With an innovative door-in-door design and convenient rotating bin, you'll have all your top choices at your fingertips. Save time with intelligent water dispensing thanks to hands-free autofill. Simply press the autofill button on your integrated dispenser and the innovative sensors will fill your glass or bottle with the perfect amount of filtered, great-tasting water, so you can do more with your day.